Here's how you can motion track anything in Davinci Resolve. First, select your media in and hit Ctrl space and take a planar tracker node, and now find a point where your object is clearly visible. Then go to the inspector and hit set on the reference time. Make sure to do that because a lot of people forget to do that. Then go and make a box around your object, and make sure to leave little space between the box and your object. After making a box, now go to the inspector panel and change the tracker to hybrid point and motion type to translation. Then hit track to end and it will start your tracking. After the tracking is done, then click on go. It will take your playhead to the point where it started tracking, and then hit track to start. Then it will track the rest of it. When it's done, then select your planar tracker and select operation mode to stabilize. And now your motion track has been done. Now all you have to do is zoom in a little bit. Now select the media in and hit Ctrl space and type XF for a transform node. Now zoom in a little bit, change the center value. After you do that, then look for a large gap. You can see this is probably the largest gap. So I'm going to zoom it a little bit more and then position it down. Now this is the only gap left, so what you can do, you can go up just half, then scale it up, and now you can see there aren't any gaps. So that's how you can motion track anything in DaVinci Resolve.